Welcome to MacUNITED Early College High School.
Where as a student, you can earn a high school diploma
and an associate's degree, all at no cost.
Imagine graduating high school 2 years ahead of your peers and 2 years closer to your career.
That's the kind of head start MacUNITED offers.
MacUNITED students are more credit than high school students.
And you'll have access to all the sports clubs and events that make high school so much fun.
Plus special industry partnerships where you'll gain hands-on work experience and earn a certification that will set you up for your future career.
At the same time, MacUNITED students are San Antonio College students with full access to the college campus and its resources like tutoring, gym facilities, theater shows, special events, and so much more.
Got your attention yet?
Don't worry about feeling like a small fish in an even bigger pond.
MacUNITED is designed to support you every step of the way.
From the uniquely designed courses, hand-picked teachers, specialized tutoring sessions, mentors, and like-minded peers,
it's all right here to support you and keep you on track for success and dual graduations.
As a MacUNITED freshman, you'll experience the thrill of high school, the adventure of college life, and the excitement of working towards your future career.
I know your dreams are different than mine.
And mine.
MacUNITED offers 2 educational pathways.
Are you interested in becoming a coach, counselor, school leader, or teacher like me? Well, in the education pathway, you get started with real-world skills.
How about business management, marketing, or even starting your own company like me? The business pathway gets you hands-on experience and skills in the business world.
Remember, you'll start earning college credits your freshman year.
Still not enough? MacUNITED offers summer school options so you can personalize your schedule by exploring electives outside the regular program.
whether it's completing your first college class, earning an industry certification, or graduating with honors, every step counts.
And we'll be there cheering you on every step of the way.
And we love to celebrate your success.
Imagine, in 4 short years, walking the stage to receive your high school diploma as a college graduate.
This unique experience gives you a head start on whatever comes next.
Ready to get started?
Apply today and join a community that's as ambitious as you are.
MacUNITED Early College High School, where your future starts now.